Hi, I'm Mark Dannenberg, CEO and founder of Options Moneymaker, and this is the Profit Builder Daily Snapshot. You know, the most profitable way for anybody to trade is to always want what the market wants. Very frankly, the market tells us all the time what to do and when to do it, but typically traders don't pay attention because they try to exercise their will over the market. We have such simple indicators that we use that tell us when the market is most likely ready to turn and head in the opposite direction. And one of the things that we are very confident about is that the market will always turn and head in the opposite direction. It doesn't matter whether the market's going up or the market's going down. It trades in cycles. It always trades up and it always trades down. So here's a textbook example. I've been talking about this in several sessions now. Here's a textbook example. Here's the S&P 500 on a 60-minute chart. We see up and down cycles. Most recently, we saw a cycle that was moving higher. It stalled out at our upper Bollinger Bands and at our upper declining line of resistance. And then what did it do? It cycled back the opposite direction. When it was trading at the upper Bollinger Bands and it was trading at this declining line of resistance, that was an opportunity to open new declining bias positions. We don't really give a lot of thought to it. And what I mean by that is it's second nature for us to recognize this pattern and know that if we then place our strikes out of the money above resistance and above the Bollinger Bands, we have a high degree of likelihood of winning. We want what the market wants. And at this point, the market wants to take a breather. The market wants to move lower. It wants to cycle back down. And that's exactly what it did today. We spent 2 days this week a little bit bored with our trading because there wasn't that much going on. And today, here we were delivered an opportunity to take profits. So we closed out of several positions today, both on NDX, SPX, and RUT. And here is what it resulted in. In our Profit Builder trade account from August 17th, Monday through today, we have profits of $1,013.77. That's net after fees and commissions. And we jump to our spreadsheet where we keep track of our weekly performance. That's $1,013.77. We plug into our spreadsheet. So week to date, we are actually seeing a profit of 6.7% based on a risk amount of $15,121 and a goal of $1,210. We're almost at our goal. Whether or not we hit our goal is not really that significant of a part of this to me. It's just a goal. It's a reasonable goal, and if we hit it, great. If we exceed it, better. If we miss it, well, then that was what the market offered us. So the market tells us what to do and when. There's no reason to use limit orders with this type of trading. There's no reason to panic positions, and exit a position unnecessarily, and there's no reason to have fear when you trade. This is all about trading with confidence, trading with knowledge, and trading with the sight on what you can do and when, and have the market tell you exactly when to take action. Market told us that that was the perfect opportunity to get into trade, and that's based on our experience. The market told us that because we moved below the lower Bollinger Bands, that there was a high degree of likelihood that we would see the price bounce back higher, and in fact we've now seen that. But when it moved below the lower Bollinger Bands and right down to our level of support, that was the time to take profits because we had declining bias trades. The next move is going to be back up, and we're going to be looking for an opportunity to open new declining bias trades when it gets back up to the top. Down here, we opened new rising bias trades. This is all a matter of playing the cycles. Cycle down to take a profit, open a rising bias trade, cycle up, take a profit. This is as simple as trading can be, folks. And in our Profit Builder program, we teach you how to do this. We teach you how to use very simple Bollinger Band technical indicators and very simple support and resistance and a very simple trading strategy. The key is keep it all as simple as possible and try to harvest as much profit as possible. Our to-date summary is that we've earned $17,137 of profits. We started this program at the beginning of last quarter with risk of $5,000. So in 1.5 quarters, we've earned $17,000 of profits. All right, if you're interested in learning more, check us out at ommprofitbuilders.com. I'll be back tomorrow with another update.